Yeah, welcome to how to double peg. So yeah, step one, how to double peg. For me, when I learnt double pegs, I did feeble grind first. But yeah, so as you're coming towards the rail, just hang on. Ryan! Where you going?
Back soon, Chippy.
Alright, darling. Alright, no worries, love you. Anyway, yeah, so as you come up to the rail, you want to come up at a considerable amount of speed. I'd say speed for a hot 180, if you know how to do that. If not, just go really quick. So as you want to bunny up right close to it. As you hit it, you want to like lean into whichever side your pegs are on. So mine are on my right, so I'll lean to the right. You can go pedal down with this one for a bit of extra safety. You'll still grind it, just make sure the rail is waxed. If you don't use wax, you're just going to get stuck and look a dickhead. And then George Slater's going to be telling you to come backflip, which you don't want. But yeah, besides the drama, like, there's no drama between me and him, so don't get involved with it again. Just point that out. Can't be asked for Instagram drama. He's a nice lad, he can 1080, so...
But he's a dickhead.
Yeah. But we all love George Slater, just saying, he's got a mandingo penis.
Mandingo penis. Penis.
Anyway, take two. Yeah, once you're on the rail and you've got pedal down, you're on the side, whichever your pegs are on.
You have to say that bit again. I can't quote, man. Fucking mandingo penis.
Why were we just fucking slating George, although he's not here? Start afresh. Right, so, as you bunny up next to the rail, you want to bunny up quite close to it. On both your pegs, you can go pedal down with it for extra safety, as long as it's really, really wax. You don't have wax, then you're going to fall off or get stuck or whatever. So make sure it is actually waxed. While you're on it, you want to be leaning to the side your pegs are. So my regular side's my right side, lean like that and hold it in. As you come off the end, pull the bunny up, but pull it harder than you normally would, because you're not on tyres, you're obviously on pegs, it's metal on metal. As you bunny up off end, ride away. Say Mafia's a prick, because no one likes Mafia. If you own a Mafia, stop watching these videos and unsubscribe. This is how much I don't like them. Whoa, JK. But yeah, ride away. Just keep doing it, time after time, because you'll realise that you'll do it once, you'll do it for a short period of time, and you'll fall straight off and ride away. Just keep doing it. Find what your comfort zone is in it, and then when you're in it, you know what speed you want to go at. When you first do it, you should probably go quite slow. The more you stay on it, the braver you get, and then just go faster and faster, and then eventually you'll start having to do that and alter your balance with your legs, and then that's when you can go on Tinder and slide into people's DMs and say you can double peg. I think that's how to double peg from my perspective. If you've got any more questions, feel free to DM me, DM George Slater. Don't call him a dickhead, whatever you do, he's actually a really nice guy. DM Lewis Perry, Simon Crawford, and just ask on anybody else's tips on how to double peg, and I think they'll tell you probably the same, I don't know. But yeah, that's how to double peg. Cheers guys.